The goal of drug therapy is the achievement of defined therapeutic outcomes that improve patients' quality of life while minimizing patients' risk. The incidents or hazards that result from each risk have been defined as drug misadventures, which includes both adverse drug reactions and medication errors.
Here are some ways to prevent medication errors. Keep a clear line communication with other healthcare providers.
Educate the patients and the public.
Always question when something seems out of place or incorrect. Increase awareness of at-risk population. Look for duplicate therapies and interactions.
Do not take shortcuts around technology safeguards.
Report errors to improve process.
Avoid abbreviations and nomenclature.
Maintain an attention to details including the 7 R's. Right patient, right drug, right dose, right route, right time, right place, and right information.